One of these 8 destinations is going to make the groom say, that was the greatest weekend of his life. One of them is going to get the best man a standing ovation at the wedding speech. And one of them, the international wild card at the end of this list, is where the group chat is going to explode when you drop the idea. You have one job. The groom is trusting you with the last free weekend of his life. Do not blow it. Here are the 8 best places on earth to throw a bachelor party. Ranked, specific, and actually actionable. Before we get into it, if you are planning a bachelor party right now, or you know someone who is, subscribe. We cover trips, experiences, and the kind of planning content that separates a legendary weekend from a disaster. Number 8. Nashville, Tennessee. Broadway Street in downtown Nashville is the only stretch of road in America where you can walk between 15 live music venues without ever stepping outside. Every bar has a band. Every band plays all night, and the whiskey is cheap. For a bachelor party, Nashville works because it has range. Daytime distillery tours at Jack Daniel's Hollow or Corsair Artisan, afternoon honky-tonking on Broadway, and a rooftop bar scene that has exploded in the last 3 years. The Lower Broadway district never closes. Book a party bus that does a bar crawl circuit. It is one of the most efficient ways to move a group of 8 to 12 without losing anyone. Nashville is best for grooms who want live music, southern food, and nightlife without the Vegas price tag. Number 7. Scottsdale, Arizona. Scottsdale has reinvented itself from a golf destination into one of the fastest-rising bachelor party cities in the country, and for good reason. The Old Town nightlife district has dense bar coverage within walking distance. The pool party scene at hotel day club venues runs from March through October, and the desert landscape gives you options that no other city offers. Think off-road ATV tours at sunrise, trap shooting ranges, helicopter tours over the Grand Canyon, or a private golf day on one of the 20-plus championship courses within 30 minutes. For groups who want the physical space of a house party with access to nightlife, Scottsdale has a strong luxury rental villa market. March and April are the sweet spot, warm, dry, and before the summer heat turns the desert into a furnace. Number 6. New Orleans, Louisiana. No city in America has a higher concentration of things that should not legally exist in the same 4-block radius. Bourbon Street is the obvious anchor, but the best bachelor party in New Orleans is the one that goes beyond it. A private crawfish boil on a rented patio in the Garden District, a jazz funeral bar crawl guided by a local, an afternoon at Frenchman Street where the live music is better and the locals actually go. The food alone justifies the flight. Commander's Palace for a group dinner, Central Grocery for a muffaletta the morning after, beignets at Café du Monde at 2 a.m. There is no city where the eating and the drinking and the music are this intertwined. The humidity is real. Go in October or March, and you will avoid the worst of it. Here is the thing about the next 4 destinations. This is where it gets serious. Number 5. Miami. Miami Beach's nightclub infrastructure is purpose-built for large groups of men with cash and a reason to celebrate. Live at the Fontainebleau E11 Even, which operates 24 hours, Story on South Beach. These are venues that exist specifically to make a bachelor party feel like an event. But Miami works best when you add water to the equation. Rent a yacht for a day on Biscayne Bay. Prices start around $150 per person for a group of 10 and include open bar. The Wynwood Walls Art District and Little Havana give you daytime substance if the group wants more than pool and clubs. Book accommodation on Collins Avenue or in Brickell if you want quieter proximity to the city's better restaurant scene. Miami in March is peak. Expect premium pricing, but the energy matches it. Number 4. Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Cabo has become the go-to international bachelor party for American groups, and the infrastructure reflects it. The Medallo à Nous beach club scene runs all day, the Mango Deck and Cabo Wabo venues are designed for groups, and the marina offers everything from deep-sea fishing charters to sunset booze cruises to luxury yacht rentals at prices that are genuinely hard to beat compared to Miami or Vegas. The tequila is better here because it is actually local. A round at a rooftop bar costs a fraction of what it does stateside, and all-inclusive resort packages at properties like Breathless or ME Cabo dramatically simplify group budgeting. Direct flights from most major US cities take under 4 hours. Fly into Los Cabos International and you are on a beach bar stool within 45 minutes. The top 3 are a different tier entirely. These are the ones the groom will still be talking about in 20 years. Number 3. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is the undisputed capital of the European bachelor party circuit, and it is not close. The Ruin Bars, Simpler Kurt, is the original and still the best, a sprawling multi-room complex built inside a derelict factory, operate a nightlife culture that has no equivalent anywhere in the world. Add to that the thermal bath party experience. Sechenyi baths at night during their weekly party events is one of the genuinely singular experiences available to a bachelor group anywhere on the planet. A long weekend in Budapest, Thursday to Sunday, runs at a fraction of the cost of Vegas. Cocktails cost 2 to 3 euros. A full dinner for a group of 10 at a proper Hungarian restaurant lands under 200 euros total. Book early to mid-spring or September when the weather is ideal and the tourist volume is lower than summer peak. Number 2. Las Vegas, Nevada. Vegas is number 2 and not number 1 because everyone already knows Vegas, which is the problem and the point simultaneously. The infrastructure here is unmatched. Pool parties at Encore Beach Club and Wet Republic run from March through September. Fight nights at the T-Mobile Arena give any bachelor weekend an anchor event that creates stories before the night even begins. The Sphere is now a legitimate reason to fly to Vegas that has nothing to do with gambling. Racing experience drives at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway and machine gun ranges give daytime programming that even non-gamblers get behind. Book Sunday through Thursday. If the dates are flexible, rates drop by 30 to 40% and the venues are equally good. Do not book the Friday before a major fight or a holiday weekend unless someone in the group is wealthy. The price difference is not proportional to the upgrade in experience. Number 1. Cartagena, Colombia. Here is the international wild card. Cartagena is what happens when you combine a Caribbean coastline, colonial architecture, elite-level food, world-class nightlife, and a cost structure that makes Vegas look like it is designed to drain your accounts. Because it is. A private catamaran to the Rosario Islands for a full day of open water swimming and open bar runs approximately $800 for a group of 10. A private villa with a pool in the walled city, Gethsemane neighborhood, sleeps 12 and costs what a mid-tier hotel room costs in Miami. The restaurant scene around the Plaza de San Pedro Claver rivals anything in South America. Café Del Mar for sunset cocktails on the city walls is one of the best bars on earth by any measure. It is not Las Vegas. It is not meant to be. It is the trip that makes every other bachelor party they have ever attended look like a Thursday night. Book direct flights from Miami, New York, or Houston. Most land under 5 hours. This is the one you drop in the group chat and watch the chaos begin. If someone just texted you asking about bachelor party ideas, send them this video. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Every recommendation on this channel is specific, researched, and built for people who actually want to make the trip happen. Here is the truth about bachelor parties. It is not about the destination. It is about the groom walking away with the story he tells for the rest of his life. At the wedding speech, at the 10-year anniversary dinner, to his kids who will roll their eyes and love every word. The 8 places on this list are not just cities. They are the conditions for that story to happen. Your job is to pick the right one. Book it before someone else in the group loses their nerve and show up. The groom only gets one last free weekend. Make it count. Drop a comment and tell us, which destination are you doing? And does the groom know yet?